Let's get this party started. We're going to go ahead and start spraying this garage door. There we go. There's our first spray. And you notice when I'm spraying, there's a white line. That's all caulking where I sealed a crack. Really important to overlap. I ended up priming, well, not priming, I should say. I ended up prepping this door. Prepping the door by washing it, sanding it down. And then after it was sanded, I went ahead and grabbed a microfiber rag and cleaned it all off. Did that twice just to make sure there was no dust. And now I went ahead and masked all the windows, put a drop cloth, raised the door, put a drop cloth underneath the door, close the door back down, and you're seeing me put on the first coat of 2 coats of finish paint. My name's John Diaz from John Diaz Painting, and we serve the Inland Empire, which is Rancho Cucamonga, Upland, Claremont, Chino Hills, San Dimas, Laverne, and Glendora. Thanks for watching.